So today's project is a card using materials from the October Paper Pumpkin Kit. I used the stamp set from it to create these flowers, and we're going to do a little watercoloring today. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is get our stamps ready on our blocks. I have 3 blocks here. We'll be using 3 stamps. First, the one flower, the other flower, and the leaf. Then I use some StazOn for the black and a piece of cardstock measuring 5 by 3 3/4. And you're just going to take your stamp, ink it up in the StazOn, and kind of randomly stamp it. We're going to do 3 of each flower. Take your smaller flower, stamp, and if you mess up a little bit, the clear photopolymer stamps are really easy to fix mistakes because you can see where you're at. And then we're just going to take this leaf. Make sure you notice which way it's turned so you can line it up with the flower. And you're just going to flip that leaf around to the other side. It's okay if you go off the edge a little bit. Okay, we stamped our flowers. And it's okay if we make a little bit of mistakes. Stamping is all about mistakes, and we will be covering that part up anyways. So now we're going to watercolor, and I'm taking the smallest tip of the aqua painters, and to get the fun colors, you just take an ink pad, squeeze a little bit, and you get a fun little pool of ink there. So first I'm going to be using Watermelon Wonder, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that, squeeze, and do every other petal, starting with the small ones. And you get a fun watercolor effect. Now we're going to do the small flowers, and I did 2 in Watermelon Wonder and 1 in Mint Macaroon. So let's do these ones in Watermelon Wonder. And then to clean off your aqua painter, you just run it over some scrap paper. So we're done with the Watermelon Wonder. Just take some Mint Macaroon here, squeeze, make a nice little pool of ink. Let's go over the petals that we didn't do before. Clean off the aqua painter. We're going to use Cucumber Crush for the leaves. You might need to squeeze water if you find your aqua painter is getting dry. So now that our watercoloring is done, we put our aqua painter to the side. And then the Paper Pumpkin Kit for this month comes with these really cool die cuts. They're already cut for you. All you do is punch them out. So we're going to use one of those. And our black ink again. Take off this flower. And I'm going to use the thanks greeting from that set. Ink that up. And there's our greeting. And it also comes with these gold stickers. Then you get some kind of like leafy branches here, and then these leaves, we're going to use these. And you're just going to take your fingernail or a paper piercer and pop out the middle part. And what you have is a leaf that looks like this. Put one on the top. And one on the bottom. And then we're just going to use dimensionals, which also come with your paper pumpkin kit. You pop that up. And then my little mistake there, we're going to hide that this way. Then you're going to need a gold foil sheet that measures 5 1/4 by 4 inches. I'm going to take Fast Fuse. Stick this to the gold foil sheet. For my card base, I used Tip Top Taupe, which measures 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. We're going to fold that in half. And then I use dimensionals to pop this panel up. And then stick it down. And that's it. This is the October paper pumpkin alternative. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you want to see more videos. And the original paper pumpkin video I will link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.